Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can factory reset the JBL wavebuds and how the whole process works. So what you need to do is like really simple. I will show you right here. I have it connected to phone. So we are going to use the left earbud. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to press it 3 times, and on the third time, I will just hold the earbud, okay? So look, 1, 2, 3, and just hold. After a few seconds, you will see that it's going to get disconnected from my phone. Do you see that? And right there, you're gonna just put it back to the case and it's done. So this is how you're gonna do it, and this is how you're gonna do the factory reset for the JBL wavebuds. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.